Attorney, last week, yung isang senador may very bright, intelligent proposal na uupo yung oposisyon at saka yung mga religious cults diyan sa ICI.
Religious
Uh,
groups.
did you ever talked about it sa ICI, itong very bright, intelligent proposal na ito?
Ah, unang-una nga po, napag-usapan, pero ang ano nga po yun nga po, kung titingnan niyo po yung composition ng commission ngayon, wala pong politiko dyan meron po tayong retired Justice of the Supreme Court. You have a former Secretary of the DPWH who performed very well, who cleaned up the DPWH. At the same time, we have a technocrat in the person of Commissioner Fado. Kung titingnan niyo ho, wala pong mga politiko dyan Yan nga ho yung pine-prevent namin. Because once magkaroon po tayo ng politiko inside the commission or as a member of the commission, baka nga po hindi na po independent talaga yan. So as far as we are concerned, ideal na po ang composition ng commission.